Hi everyone. Hello everyone. Welcome to another DIY Monday. I am coming to you, ladies and gentlemen, with something different. Well, it's not really different, but it's another wire wrap earring. The last time I did a wire wrap, it was a bracelet. So I'm going to show you ladies and gentlemen how to do this wire wrap earring. So the items that you are going to need for this DIY is you're going to need your wire cutters, your round nose pliers. You're going to need some flat nose pliers with some ridges in between it. I hope you guys, ladies and gentlemen, can see this. You're going to need a pair of these. You're going to need some 20 gauge wire and cut yourself at least 15 inches of 12 gauge, I'm sorry, y'all. 15 inches of 20 gauge wire. You are also going to need some memory wire. This memory wire, ladies and gentlemen, that I have is 1.0 thick. Okay, so it's pretty thick. It comes in so many different types. Okay, this is like the small, like I would say the medium size. Yeah, but anyway, let's go ahead and get into this. You're going to need some 12 millimeter beads. I got these because I thought these were really, really cute. They remind me of a little bumblebee. They're black and white stripes, okay? You're going to need 6 of these. And so we're going to go ahead and get started. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, so the very first thing that we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and assemble the body of the earring. So what we're going to do is we're going to take this piece right here. You're going to cut it out. And you are going to make a loop. I just got finished putting lotion on my hands, y'all, so my hands are a little slippery. Then you're going to take your flat nose pliers and you're just going to go and squeeze this in like that. Try to get it as close as you can. So try to get it as close as you can. Okay. The next thing we're going to do is we're going to take this side here and we're going to bend it. I'm going to show you. Bend it just, whoops. Bend it just like this. And that's what you want. It's like a little hook. We're going to take and put this together just like that. Okay, see what I did? You're going to take it and put it together just like that. Now what you're going to do is you're going to take these right here, your flat nose pliers, you're going to come in and you're going to squeeze them together as tight as you can get it. Okay, now once you squeeze it, see what I'm doing? It's not going to come loose, so it is in there. Okay, so the next thing you want to do is you want to take your wire. Oh, I gotta wipe my hands off. Hold on for 1 minute, ladies and gentlemen. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, I am back. All right, so what we're going to do now, ladies and gentlemen, is we're going to take our wire and we're going to go ahead and start doing some wire wrapping. So we're going to take it from hold it to the back of the wire, take our finger, hold it over like this. It's pretty much what you want. And you want to push this through like that. So you want to push the wire through. In the beginning, y'all, this is going to be a little hard, okay? Then you want to take and you want to bring it up and wrap it around. See, my hands are a little wet too. That's why I can't really grip it. But this is pretty much what you're going to have. So what we're going to do next is we're going to push it back under again. I'm going to bring it through one more time. And then we're going to make another loop, just like that. I hope you all can see what I'm doing. And then we're going to make another loop. We're going to pull it through. And then we're going to wrap it again. And I hope you all can see exactly what I'm doing here. Push it up. Now what I'm going to do is, this is not as close as I would like, so I'm going to take my pliers and just try to squeeze it together. Okay, there we go. Okay, you see what I did, ladies and gentlemen? So this is what you should have. Push that up. And we're going to just cut this extra wire off. Just like that. And we're going to take our flat nose pliers and squeeze it so we can hold it into, squeeze it so nothing is sticking. Okay, and the next thing we're going to do, just going to push this. Wait a minute. Gotta get this straight. There it is. Okay, so we're going to push it up to this piece right here. And then we're going to put on our first bead. So we're going to put our first bead on. Take it all the way down. Push this up. And this is what we're going to have, just like this. And we're going to be wrapping it on the inside of the bead. I mean, of the inside of the wire. So it's going to be on the inside, not on the outside, but on the inside. So we're going to just bring it up, hold it into place, just like that. Pinch, bring it over, and we're going to push it through and wrap it 3 times. So that's 1, that's 2, take it through, and then one more time, that's 3, and take it through. Okay, so let me show you exactly what I have. Now we're going to go ahead with the second one. We're going to add that on. And we're going to do this one the same exact way. So we're going to bring this right here, just like that. Okay. And we're going to wrap it 3 times. So this is 1 time. Pull it through. 2. And 3. Now, what's going to happen here is, gotta push this up. What's going to happen here is, okay, I have 3 here. So you're going to need 14 of these. You're going to wrap this instead of it being 3 times, you're going to wrap it 14 times. So we have 3, 4, and for the sake of the video, ladies and gentlemen, I'm going to go ahead and do this 14 times, and then I will be back. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, so I have done this one 3 times, and I have one more that I'm going to put here, and I'm going to let you all see me do that one. So I'm going to put this on, bring it down, okay, and then I'm going to just wrap it 3 times. That's 1, 2, and 3. Okay. I'm going to push this up like that. And this is pretty much our earring, ladies and gentlemen. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to snip off this excess here. Excess. I don't want to get, you know, y'all, they be correcting me here on the YT because of the way that I talk, but that's just the way that I talk. So we snip that off. And then we're going to go in with our flat nose pliers, ladies and gentlemen, and we're going to squeeze that down. And then the next thing we're going to do, because this part of the earring has been done, we're going to push this up. Just like that. And I have to snip off because there's some extra little, there it is. Okay. All right, so now this part of the earring is done. Now we're going to go ahead and just add this part. So we're going to take what was left over from the 20 gauge wire. And, oh boy, y'all know I be forgetting everything. And y'all know y'all going to need a fish hook too, right? Okay. So we're going to take this 20 gauge wire, some of the 20 gauge wire that we had left over, and we're going to make a loop. Just like this, ladies and gentlemen, give it a little indentation. Just like that. And we're going to just go ahead and attach that to this. And then I am going to take my round nose pliers, put it over the loop, hold it in place, push this up, and wrap it around. And like I always say, you can go around as many times as you are comfortable with. Once or twice. And then I'm going to cut the excess off on this. And then take my flat nose pliers and squeeze this in. And then I'm going to go ahead and just add my other bead. I'm going to add that on. And I am going to take my finger, push this, like hold it like this, and I'm going to make a loop to the side because we want the loop to be going to the side, ladies and gentlemen. And this is what I'm talking about. See that? It's going to the side. Then we're going to give it a little indentation, and then we're going to go ahead and start wrapping it. Okay. And then we're going to go ahead and snip off the excess. just like that. We're going to put on our fish hook, ladies and gentlemen, and this will be a done deal. Go ahead and put on our fish hook. Close it up. And you have yourself a beautiful pair of earrings. These are like an abstract pair of earrings because they're different. And trust me, ladies and gentlemen, you will not see anybody with these earrings unless you're making them yourself. You won't find these in the store. So here they are. I want to thank each and every one of you all for joining me today, ladies and gentlemen, for Monday's DIY. I greatly appreciate it. And you all join me for tomorrow's Tuesday show and tell. I did not do a Tuesday show and tell last week because I was working on some things. I have some goodies to show you all tomorrow, so please join me for that video. You all have a wonderful and awesome week. And I will see you guys tomorrow on Tuesday's show and tell. Peace and blessings. Peace and blessings. Lord, why am I? Peace and blessings, y'all. See ya.